I'm Yab Pro-Jane, and with me is Pro-Jane. Joke lang. Pro-Jane, introduce yourselves.
I'm Shah, I play the guitar.
Nicole, vocals.
Mark on guitars.
JM on bass.
I'm Wilf on drums.
What, dude? That's how your hair looks like pala.
I'm gonna have it cornrowed, so it's cool.
Okay. Paano nabuo yung band? Who was the founder?
Itong dalawa matagal na magkakilala eh. Nung grade 3, magkakilala sila.
So, grade 2 plus
Ayun, dito.
Hindi kasi nasa classroom siya, tapos nagdadasal sila. Tapos dapat uupo, ito si Wells, ang drummer namin. Tapos pagkaupo niya, biglang may batang tinusok siya sa puwet gamit niya pencil. Tapos na-kick out yung bata niya. One night, we were having an inuman session sa bahay ko. Kasama, kami. Tapos biglang napagkwentuhan niya yung incident na yun. Tapos nalaman namin, tumusok pala sa puwet niya ito. 15 years later, nalaman namin. Buo kami ng banda.
Okay.
Wow.
So sad.
So, kung grade 3 siya, you were...
I'm younger.
Hindi ko pinapanganak.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman hindi. Yung mga kingdoms yun.
Okay. Oh, sige. So, that's how you guys met with them?
Common friends from watching events.